Prepare to have your mind blown as we delve into a collection of astonishing facts that will challenge your perception of the world. From mind-boggling science to incredible historical events, these 10 amazing facts will leave you in awe. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an unforgettable journey of knowledge. The blue whale is the largest animal known to have ever existed on Earth. Here are some mind-blowing facts about its size and weight. On average, adult blue whales measure between 70 to 90 feet, 21 to 27 meters, in length. This is longer than 3 school buses parked end to end. Blue whales can weigh an astonishing 100 to 150 tons, 200,000 to 300,000 pounds. To put this into perspective, their weight is equivalent to about 25 to 50 elephants or around 10 to 20 fully grown T-Rex dinosaurs. The heart of a blue whale is the largest heart of any known animal. It weighs around 400 pounds, 180 kilograms, and is roughly the size of a small car. The tongue of a blue whale alone can weigh as much as an elephant, around 5,400 pounds, 2,400 kilograms. It is so large that around 50 people could stand on it. Even when newborn, blue whale calves are enormous. They measure around 23 feet, 7 meters, in length and weigh approximately 2.5 tons, 5,000 pounds, which is roughly the size of a small truck. If you were to stack 25 adult male African elephants on top of each other, the resulting height would still be shorter than the length of a blue whale. The lower jawbone of a blue whale is the largest bone in the animal kingdom. It can measure up to 10 feet, 3 meters, in length. Blue whales can consume several tons of food each day during the feeding season, enabling them to gain up to 200 pounds, 90 kilograms, per day. Blue whales are known for their deep, low-frequency vocalizations that can travel vast distances across the ocean. Their calls can reach volumes of around 188 decibels, louder than a jet engine. After facing severe population decline due to commercial whaling, the blue whale population has been slowly recovering thanks to conservation efforts. However, they are still considered an endangered species today. These incredible size and weight measurements highlight the astounding proportions of the blue whale, showcasing its status as one of nature's most magnificent creatures. The astonishing diversity of life on Earth is a testament to the intricate and complex web of organisms that inhabit our planet. From microscopic bacteria to giant whales, the variety of life forms is truly remarkable. Here are some aspects that highlight the astonishing diversity of life on Earth. Scientists estimate that there are between 8.7 million to 30 million species on Earth, although the exact number is still uncertain. These include plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, and various microorganisms. Each species has its unique characteristics, adaptations, and ecological roles. Life exists in a wide range of ecosystems, including terrestrial, marine, freshwater, and extreme environments such as deserts, rainforests, deep-sea hydrothermal vents, and polar regions. Each ecosystem harbors its own distinct species and interactions, contributing to the overall biodiversity of our planet. Within each species, there is a vast array of genetic diversity. Genetic variations enable species to adapt to changing environments, ensuring their survival and resilience. Genetic diversity also provides the foundation for selective breeding, species conservation, and the development of new medicines and technologies. Microbes, including bacteria, archaea, and viruses, constitute a significant portion of Earth's biodiversity. These microscopic organisms play crucial roles in nutrient cycling, disease regulation, and maintaining ecological balance. They inhabit diverse environments, from deep-sea hydrothermal vents to extreme acidic or alkaline habitats. The diversity of life on Earth extends beyond individual species. Interactions between organisms, such as predation, mutualism, competition, and symbiosis, contribute to the complexity and stability of ecosystems. These interactions shape the evolution and adaptation of species over time. Throughout Earth's history, certain lineages of organisms have undergone rapid diversification, known as adaptive radiations. Examples include the explosive evolution of mammals after the extinction of dinosaurs and the diversification of Darwin's finches in the Galapagos Islands. These events have led to the emergence of numerous new species and ecological niches. Certain regions of the world are recognized as biodiversity hotspots due to their exceptionally high species richness and endemism. These areas, such as the Amazon rainforest, Coral Triangle, and the Cape Floristic region, deserve special conservation attention due to the unique and fragile ecosystems they contain. Earth is home to organisms known as extremophiles that thrive in extreme and inhospitable environments. These organisms have adapted to survive in conditions such as extreme temperatures, high pressures, acidic or alkaline environments, and even in the absence of sunlight. They provide insights into the limits of life and the potential for extraterrestrial life. Many species on Earth remain undiscovered or poorly studied. The existence of cryptic biodiversity, including cryptic species and hidden genetic diversity, suggests that our understanding of the diversity of life is still incomplete. Advances in technology and exploration continue to reveal new species and expand our knowledge. The diversity of life on Earth is crucial for ecosystem services, including pollination, nutrient cycling, soil formation, climate regulation, and water purification. The loss of biodiversity can disrupt these services and have far-reaching consequences for human well-being. The astonishing diversity of life on Earth is a constant source of fascination and exploration. Understanding and protecting this diversity is essential for the preservation of ecosystems, the sustainability of our planet, and the well-being of all species, including humans. The intelligence exhibited by animals is a captivating and surprising aspect of the natural world. While human intelligence is unique in its complexity, animals showcase a wide range of cognitive abilities and problem-solving skills. Here are some examples of the surprising intelligence observed in various animal species. Great apes, such as chimpanzees, bonobos, and orangutans, are known for their advanced cognitive abilities. They can use tools, solve puzzles, communicate through complex vocalizations and gestures, and demonstrate self-awareness. Some primates have even been observed exhibiting cultural behaviors and teaching their young. Dolphins and whales are highly intelligent marine mammals. They have complex social structures, communicate using intricate vocalizations, and exhibit problem-solving skills. Studies have shown their ability to understand symbolic representations, learn from observation, and even demonstrate empathy. Elephants are renowned for their remarkable memory and social intelligence. They have been observed using tools, recognizing themselves in mirrors, displaying empathy towards other elephants, and mourning their dead. They also exhibit a strong sense of cooperation and can solve complex tasks. Certain bird species, particularly corvids like crows and ravens, display impressive problem-solving abilities. They can use tools, understand cause and effect relationships, recognize themselves in mirrors, and exhibit advanced communication skills. Birds like parrots can mimic human speech and demonstrate complex problem-solving abilities. Octopuses are highly intelligent and adaptable creatures. They have a remarkable ability to solve puzzles, use tools, and exhibit complex learning behaviors. They can camouflage themselves, display sophisticated problem-solving skills, and have been observed exhibiting behaviors suggestive of playfulness. Dogs have long been recognized for their intelligence and ability to form strong bonds with humans. They can learn commands, perform tasks, exhibit problem-solving skills, and even demonstrate empathy towards humans and other animals. Working dogs, such as service dogs or search and rescue dogs, showcase exceptional training and problem-solving abilities. Although individually small, ants demonstrate remarkable collective intelligence. They organize themselves into complex societies, communicate through chemical signals, build intricate nests, and exhibit sophisticated division of labor. Ant colonies can solve complex problems collectively, displaying a form of distributed intelligence. Dolphins are highly social marine mammals known for their intelligence. They exhibit complex communication skills, problem-solving abilities, and have been observed displaying cooperative behaviors. Dolphins can learn and follow commands, understand symbols, and even exhibit self-awareness. Various animal species, including primates, birds, and even some insects, have demonstrated the ability to use tools. This behavior showcases a level of cognitive flexibility and problem-solving skills. Some animal species, including primates and birds, exhibit cultural behaviors passed down from generation to generation. This suggests the ability to learn from others and transmit knowledge through social learning. The surprising intelligence of animals challenges our understanding of cognition and the diversity of intellectual abilities in the animal kingdom. Studying and appreciating the intelligence of animals allows us to better understand their behaviors, their role in ecosystems, and provides insights into the evolution of intelligence itself. The scale of the universe is a mind-boggling concept that encompasses an enormous range of sizes, distances, and objects. Here's an overview of the scale of the universe, starting from the smallest known particles to the vastness of the cosmos. At the smallest scale, we have subatomic particles such as quarks, electrons, and neutrinos. These are the building blocks of atoms and have sizes on the order of femtometers, 10⁻⁻15 meters. Atoms, consisting of a nucleus, containing protons and neutrons, orbited by electrons, are typically measured in picometers, 10⁻12 meters. They form the basis of all matter in the universe. Molecules, such as DNA and proteins, are collections of atoms bonded together. Cells, the basic units of life, are made up of various molecules and have sizes ranging from micrometers, 10⁻⁻6 meters, to millimeters. Living organisms, including plants, animals, and humans, have sizes ranging from millimeters to meters. Human height, for example, can vary from less than a meter to over 2 meters. Our home planet, Earth, has a diameter of approximately 12,742 kilometers and a circumference of about 40,075 kilometers. It is one of the smaller objects in the universe but still substantial compared to our everyday experiences. The solar system consists of the Sun, 8 planets, including Earth, numerous moons, asteroids, and comets. The average distance from the Sun to the Earth, known as an astronomical unit, AU, is about 149.6 million kilometers. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy that spans a staggering 100,000 to 120,000 light-years in diameter. It contains billions of stars, dust, gas, and other celestial objects. Our solar system is located within the Milky Way. Galaxies come in various shapes and sizes, ranging from dwarf galaxies to massive elliptical and spiral galaxies. They can span from a few thousand to several 100,000 light-years in size. Galaxy clusters consist of groups of galaxies bound together by gravity. Superclusters are massive structures that contain multiple galaxy clusters and stretch across tens of millions of light-years. They form the largest known coherent structures in the universe. Filaments are long, thread-like structures that connect superclusters. The observable universe is the vast expanse of space that we can observe from Earth. It has a radius of about 46.5 billion light-years, which means the farthest objects we can currently see are roughly 46.5 billion light-years away due to the expansion of the universe. It's important to note that the universe is likely much larger than the observable universe, but its true size and extent are still not fully understood. Contemplating the scale of the universe can be both awe-inspiring and humbling, reminding us of the vastness and complexity of our cosmic surroundings. of the universe is truly mind-boggling and astonishing. Through scientific observations and measurements, astronomers have estimated the age of the universe to be approximately 13.8 billion years. Here's an exploration of the unbelievable age of our universe. One of the key pieces of evidence for the age of the universe is the cosmic microwave background radiation, CMB. This faint radiation is a remnant of the Big Bang, the event believed to have initiated the expansion of the universe. By studying the CMB, scientists have determined that the universe is around 13.8 billion years old. Another important factor in determining the age of the universe is the observation of the expansion of space itself. In the 1920s, astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies are moving away from each other, and the farther they are, the faster they appear to be moving. This expansion of space provides evidence that the universe had a beginning and can be traced back to an estimated age of 13.8 billion years. Light travels at a finite speed, and as a result, the light we receive from distant objects takes time to reach us. When we observe objects in the universe, we are essentially looking back in time. The most distant objects observed by astronomers, such as galaxies and quasars, are seen as they were billions of years ago, allowing us to study the early stages of the universe. By studying the formation and evolution of stars and galaxies, scientists have gained insights into the age of the universe. The oldest known star clusters, composed of some of the universe's first-generation stars, have been dated to be around 13 billion years old, consistent with the estimated age of the universe. The rate at which the universe is expanding, known as the Hubble constant, has been measured through various techniques. Combining this expansion rate with observations of the cosmic microwave background radiation provides additional support for the age of the universe. The estimated age of the universe is consistent with other independent lines of evidence, such as the ages of the oldest known star systems, white dwarf cooling rates, and radioactive dating of meteorites. Based on our current understanding of the expansion of the universe and the properties of dark energy, scientists predict that the universe will continue to expand and age in the future. However, it is worth noting that the precise fate and ultimate age of the universe are still subjects of ongoing research and investigation. Contemplating the age of the universe invites us to appreciate the vast expanse of time that has elapsed since its inception. It serves as a reminder of the immense scale and complexity of our cosmos and fuels our curiosity to uncover more about its origins, evolution, and ultimate destiny. Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that describes the behavior of matter and energy at extremely small scales, such as atoms and subatomic particles. It introduces a set of principles and mathematical tools that govern the peculiar and often counterintuitive phenomena observed in the quantum realm. Here are some aspects of quantum mechanics that make it an unusual and fascinating field. One of the fundamental concepts in quantum mechanics is the wave-particle duality. It suggests that particles, such as electrons and photons, exhibit characteristics of both particles and waves. They can behave as discrete particles with well-defined positions and momenta, but they can also exhibit wave-like properties, such as interference and diffraction. Quantum mechanics allows particles to exist in multiple states simultaneously through a principle called superposition. This means that a particle can be in a combination of different states until it is measured or observed, at which point it collapses into a specific state. This concept challenges our classical notion of definite states for objects. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon in which two or more particles become correlated in such a way that their states are intrinsically linked. Even when separated by vast distances, changes in the state of one particle instantaneously affect the state of the other, defying classical notions of causality and locality. This aspect of quantum mechanics intrigued Albert Einstein, who famously referred to it as spooky action at a distance. The uncertainty principle, formulated by Werner Heisenberg, states that there is a fundamental limit to how precisely certain pairs of physical properties, such as position and momentum, can be simultaneously known. It implies that the act of measuring one property with high precision inherently introduces uncertainty in the measurement of the other property. Quantum tunneling is the phenomenon where particles can pass through energy barriers that would be classically impassable. Despite lacking sufficient energy to surmount the barrier, particles can tunnel through it and appear on the other side. This effect has important implications in fields such as nuclear fusion, scanning tunneling microscopy, and quantum computing. Quantum interference occurs when two or more quantum states interfere constructively or destructively, affecting the probability distribution of measurement outcomes. It leads to observable patterns of interference that are not explainable by classical physics. Interference plays a central role in phenomena like the double-slit experiment and the creation of interference patterns in quantum systems. Quantum mechanics has spurred the development of quantum computers, which harness the principles of superposition and entanglement to perform computations in ways that surpass classical computers. Quantum computers have the potential to solve certain problems much faster and more efficiently than classical computers, offering promising avenues for scientific research and technological advancements. Quantum teleportation is a process by which the quantum state of one particle can be instantaneously transferred to another, even if they are physically separated. It does not involve the actual transfer of matter but relies on the entanglement and measurement of particles. Quantum teleportation has implications for secure communication and quantum information processing. The unusual and mind-bending phenomena of quantum mechanics challenge our classical intuitions and have revolutionized our understanding of the fundamental nature of reality. Quantum mechanics remains an active and evolving field of research, with ongoing exploration and discoveries that continue to expand our knowledge of the quantum world. Volcanoes are awe-inspiring natural phenomena that showcase the incredible power and forces at work within our planet. They shape landscapes, influence climate patterns, and create unique ecosystems. Here are some aspects that highlight the incredible power of volcanoes. Volcanic eruptions are among the most powerful and dramatic events on Earth. They occur when molten rock, known as magma, rises to the surface, releasing tremendous amounts of energy and material. Eruptions can result in the expulsion of hot ash, gases, lava flows, and volcanic projectiles. Lava is molten rock that emerges from a volcano during an eruption. It can flow slowly or rapidly, engulfing everything in its path. The sheer volume and intensity of lava flows can reshape landscapes, creating new landforms and altering the topography of regions. Volcanic eruptions can generate enormous ash clouds that reach high into the atmosphere. These ash clouds consist of fine particles of pulverized rock and minerals. They can travel vast distances, affecting air travel, climate, and even causing temporary cooling effects on a global scale. Pyroclastic flows are dense, fast-moving mixtures of hot ash, rock fragments, and gas that cascade down the slopes of a volcano during an eruption. These flows can reach speeds of hundreds of kilometers per hour, obliterating everything in their path and posing severe risks to nearby communities. Volcanoes emit a variety of gases during eruptions, including water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and hydrogen sulfide. Some of these gases can have far-reaching environmental impacts, contributing to climate change and affecting the Earth's atmospheric composition. Volcanic eruptions can produce mesmerizing displays of volcanic lightning. The intense electrical discharges occur due to the static buildup and friction generated by volcanic ash particles colliding in the plume. When a volcano collapses or empties its magma chamber during a massive eruption, it can form a volcanic caldera, a large, basin-like depression. These calderas, such as the Yellowstone caldera or the Santorini caldera, highlight the immense power and scale of volcanic activity. Volcanic regions are often associated with geothermal energy, harnessing the heat from underground magma reservoirs to generate electricity. This clean and renewable energy source demonstrates the potential for beneficial utilization of volcanic power. Volcanoes play a significant role in the creation of new land. Over time, repeated eruptions and lava flows can build up layers of solidified lava and volcanic debris, forming volcanic islands, mountains, and other landforms. Despite the intense heat and harsh conditions, volcanoes support unique ecosystems and foster biodiversity. Some organisms have adapted to thrive in volcanic landscapes, demonstrating the resilience of life in extreme environments. The incredible power of volcanoes serves as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. While they can pose risks and challenges to human populations living in their vicinity, they also contribute to the Earth's geological processes, enrich ecosystems, and offer glimpses into the extraordinary forces that shape our world. The human brain is a marvel of intricate complexity, serving as the command center for all our thoughts, emotions, and bodily functions. Its intricate structure and vast network of neurons enable us to perceive the world, think, learn, and experience the richness of life. Here are some key aspects that highlight the complexity of the human brain. The brain is composed of billions of specialized cells called neurons. These neurons are interconnected through an intricate web of synapses, forming complex neural networks that process and transmit information. The brain consists of various regions, each responsible for specific functions. For example, the frontal lobe is involved in decision-making and problem-solving, the temporal lobe is associated with memory and auditory processing, and the occipital lobe processes visual information. Neurons communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. This intricate network of connections allows for the transmission of information across different brain regions, enabling complex cognitive processes. The brain exhibits remarkable plasticity, allowing it to reorganize and adapt in response to experiences, learning, and environmental changes. This neuroplasticity underlies our ability to acquire new skills, recover from injuries, and form memories. The human brain supports a wide range of cognitive functions, including perception, attention, memory, language, reasoning, and problem-solving. These functions involve complex neural computations and interactions between different brain regions. The brain plays a crucial role in experiencing and regulating emotions, as well as understanding and empathizing with others. Areas such as the amygdala and prefrontal cortex are involved in emotional processing and social cognition. The brain receives and integrates information from our senses, allowing us to perceive and interact with the world. Motor control regions coordinate movements and actions, enabling us to walk, talk, and engage in intricate physical tasks. The intricate workings of the brain give rise to our subjective experience of consciousness. The exact mechanisms of consciousness are still debated, but it involves complex interactions between different brain regions and neural activity patterns. The complexity of the brain also means that it is susceptible to a wide range of disorders and diseases. Conditions such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and mental health disorders reflect the intricate vulnerabilities of this vital organ. Despite significant advancements in neuroscience, there is still much to discover about the human brain. Many mysteries remain, such as how subjective experiences arise from neural activity and the nature of consciousness itself. The human brain stands as one of the most complex and fascinating structures in the known universe. Its intricacy and capabilities continue to inspire scientists, researchers, and curious minds to unravel its mysteries, leading to breakthroughs in understanding cognition, mental health, and human potential. Time, indeed, is a mysterious dimension that permeates every aspect of our existence. It is an intangible force that shapes our lives, governs the workings of the universe, and raises profound questions about the nature of reality. Here are some aspects of time that highlight its enigmatic nature. Time appears to flow in a unidirectional manner, from the past, through the present, and into the future. We perceive this flow subjectively, experiencing a constant progression of moments. Our perception of time can be influenced by various factors, such as age, emotions, and external stimuli. Time can appear to speed up or slow down, leading to the subjective phenomenon of time dilation. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, space and time are intertwined in a concept known as spacetime. This theory suggests that massive objects can warp the fabric of spacetime, causing gravitational effects. In the realm of physics, time is considered the fourth dimension alongside the three spatial dimensions, length, width, and height. This conceptualization allows for the mathematical description of events and their positions in spacetime. Time exhibits an arrow-like quality, moving from a state of low entropy, order, in the past to high entropy, disorder, in the future. This is known as the arrow of time and is associated with the second law of thermodynamics. Time dilation occurs when the passage of time is experienced differently for objects moving at different speeds or in the presence of strong gravitational fields. This phenomenon has been confirmed through experiments and observations. The concept of time travel, popular in science fiction, captivates our imagination. While time travel to the past is currently regarded as implausible due to paradoxes, theories like wormholes and cosmic strings propose potential mechanisms for future exploration. Despite extensive scientific study, the fundamental nature of time remains elusive. Questions such as the origin of time, whether it has a discrete or continuous nature, and its connection to the quantum realm continue to puzzle scientists and philosophers. Time is culturally and historically influenced, with different civilizations perceiving and measuring time in various ways. From ancient calendars to modern atomic clocks, humanity has devised numerous systems to understand and organize the passage of time. Time holds deep personal significance, as it frames our memories, aspirations, and mortality. Our relationship with time shapes how we perceive the world, make decisions, and reflect on the past or plan for the future. While we may not fully comprehend the nature of time, its impact on our lives and the universe is undeniable. Its mystery continues to fascinate and challenge our understanding of existence, inviting exploration and contemplation into the depths of this enigmatic dimension. The Earth's oceans are vast and immense bodies of water that cover about 71% of the planet's surface. They are a source of wonder, providing a habitat for countless species, shaping the climate, and holding untold mysteries in their depths. Here are some aspects that highlight the immensity of Earth's oceans. The Earth's oceans collectively span an area of approximately 361 million square kilometers, 139 million square miles. This makes them the largest continuous habitat on our planet. The average depth of the oceans is about 3,800 meters, 12,467 feet. The deepest part of the oceans, known as the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench, reaches a staggering depth of approximately 11,034 meters, 36,201 feet. The oceans contain an estimated 1.332 billion cubic kilometers, 320 million cubic miles, of water. This accounts for about 97% of the Earth's total water volume. When considering the intricate details of coastlines, including bays, inlets, and other features, the combined length of all the world's coastlines stretches over 356,000 kilometers, 221,000 miles, encompassing diverse landscapes and habitats. The oceans harbor an incredible array of marine life, with estimates of species ranging from hundreds of thousands to millions. From microscopic plankton to massive whales, the biodiversity found in the oceans is unmatched. The oceans are in constant motion due to oceanic currents, which transport heat, nutrients, and marine life around the globe. Notable currents include the Gulf Stream, the Kuroshio Current, and the Antarctic Circumpolar Current. Coral reefs are among the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth, providing habitats for a vast number of species. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Australia, is the largest coral reef system, stretching over 2,300 kilometers, 1,430 miles. The oceans are marked by deep trenches, such as the Mariana Trench and the Tonga Trench. These trenches are formed by tectonic plate activity and can reach mind-boggling depths, offering glimpses into the extreme conditions of the deep sea. The oceans play a critical role in regulating Earth's climate. They absorb and store vast amounts of heat, distributed across the planet through currents, and exchange gases with the atmosphere, impacting weather patterns and global temperatures. Despite significant advancements in underwater exploration, much of the deep sea remains unexplored. The depths of the oceans hold countless mysteries, including undiscovered species, geological features, and potential resources. The immensity of Earth's oceans highlights the profound influence they have on our planet's ecosystems, climate, and overall balance. Exploring and understanding these vast bodies of water is essential for conserving their biodiversity, mitigating climate change, and preserving the delicate balance of our global environment. After exploring these 10 mind-blowing facts, it's clear that our world is filled with wonders and mysteries that never cease to amaze us. Join us next time as we continue our quest for knowledge and uncover more fascinating facts that will leave you in awe. Remember, the more we learn, the more we realize how truly incredible our world is.